Hello, Mr. Ramakrishna. This is news. So 1% to the yes basically. Where is that bank and where is that bank account number basically? So 1% to the that mostly basically might be in some India only. Why? Because 80 percentage USA basically is controlled by Gujaratis, and Gujaratis are very smart basically. How? Because they say that basically if we are spending basically this much money basically to USA, we also need the return na basically. So how they takes the return basically? So see this way basically they are taking the money. So you can just imagine basically tech companies are controlled by Gujaratis. Big businessmen basically are of Gujaratis. Prime Minister basically is Gujarati. So it's a full control to Indian bank basically. So they can transfer money easily. And nowadays basically World Bank is also controlled by Indian basically. So here 1% told that ऐसा तो नहीं है basically somebody is checking basically how much how much basically access is with India. So 1% told that that is not possible basically. But they have got the access. Here basically who is controlling Indian businessmen, that is King family basically, they are doing this everything basically. Because you can't reach with the King group basically. So 1% of the yes basically. So you can just imagine basically how USA is running. 1 lakh crore is a big number, and that's why basically in USA basically you don't get H1B visa also basically. You can't get green card also because it's a huge expense basically in USA. To secure USA basically 1 lakh crore is the expense basically. 7% of the yes basically. Like this way basically they takes the expense basically. That is 10 crore Venezuela people basically died. Their money will 100% going to transfer to some Indian bank, and some Indian all the properties basically of that Venezuela people is going to transfer to some Indian bank basically. And that cost basically that property value might be many too much basically. I will tell you more than 90 crore, 90 lakh crore basically might be the amount basically. More than 90 lakh of property only basically. And money basically is different basically. So you can just imagine basically how the things are connected. So nobody can go against this people, that is Prime Minister of India, USA President, tech Gujarati companies, that is the owners. So next day basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.